Hello everyone, this tutorial today I'm making is how to use luster dust or gold paint without using alcohol, so alcohol free. So here guys, I have luster dust gold in my hand. So I ordered this from Shopee and the name of this is Merc. So I will teach you how to use this without alcohol. So it's alcohol free. So ano ba gagamitin ko? To start this one, so pwede tayong gumamit ng vegetables oil lang yung gamitin ko. So lagay lang tayo ng konting vegetable oil sa natin mixing bowl. Tapos lagyan natin ng lustre dust. So, gamit natin yung paintbrush or maliit na brush na para pang cake natin. At saka i-mix lang natin yung vegetables oil at saka yung powder na ito. So dahan-dahan mo lang yun siyang you add little by little the luster dust on the vegetables oil until you can get the consistency. So yung makuha mo yung consistency na gusto mo. So ibig sabihin nun, pag paint mo, hindi na siya yung mag-drip. So when you paint on the side of the cake, so at the edge, yung parang sa pinakadulo ng nyo sa cake, so hindi na siya mag-drip. So try natin siya. So it's look like this na medyo watery pa siya. So just add a little powder na gold. So try lang natin sa side of this one. So medyo watery pa, so just add to get the consistency. So kasi medyo madamihan ko ng oil. So once you try on the side, so pag hindi na siya mag-drip, i-try mo at the edge of this bowl. So pag yung mixing bowl nito is ito yung ginagamit ko na try. So if paint ko siya on the top of this yung parang lips ng bowl na to, pag hindi na siya mag-drip, so okay na yung mixture natin. So pag hindi pa, so dagdagan mo lang siya ng luster powder, yung luster dust gold powder. So try natin to at the edge or sa lips ng bowl. So okay na siya. So pag ganyan na yung itsura ng pag-paint nyo, parang see, very shiny at saka siya yung pagka mixture kasi ng vegetable oil is different from mas gusto ko tong gamitin tong gold na to with vegetable oil kasi maganda yung result. So try natin sa cake natin. So